This week I have another unboxing video. This time around the book in question is the Book of Jonah, a limited edition from the Folio Society. This was one of 3 books issued in the so-called Fine Press Classics series of facsimiles of classic private press books. This book was illustrated by David Jones and originally published by the Golden Cockerel Press in 1926. The other 2 books in the series were Genesis, originally published by the Nonsuch Press and illustrated by Paul Nash, and The Song of Songs, illustrated with wood engravings by Eric Gill and originally published by the Golden Cockerel Press. All 3 editions were limited in these Folio Society Fine Press Classic versions to 750 copies, and there are purchase links in the description below. This Folio Society facsimile comes in quite a nice turquoise solander box. The inclusion of a solander box rather than a slipcase was a nice upgrade, and it's covered in quite nice tactile paper. The book itself is wrapped in a facsimile of the original dust jacket, and it comes with this one-sheet pamphlet with an essay about the book. Opening it up, we see those illustrations by David Jones. And here's the colophon page with the original Golden Cockerel text, as well as the details of this Folio Society edition. So that's the Book of Jonah, a limited edition fine press classic from the Folio Society.